Hey Skywatchers! September 2025 is packed with celestial wonders. From dazzling meteor showers to a total lunar eclipse, planetary oppositions, and rare conjunctions. Whether you're a seasoned stargazer or just love looking up, this month offers something magical almost every night. Let's dive into the cosmic calendar and explore what's lighting up the skies. Kicking off the month, the Aurigid meteor shower peaks on September 1st. Though it's a modest shower, it can surprise with bright, fast meteors. Best viewed after midnight in the northern hemisphere, away from city lights. Look toward the constellation Aurigid in the northeast sky. On September 5, the moon reaches aphelion, its farthest point from the sun. While not visually dramatic, it subtly affects the moon's brightness and apparent size, a great moment to compare with its perigee later this month. Uranus enters retrograde motion on September 6th. This optical illusion makes the planet appear to move backward in our sky. You'll need a telescope to spot it in Aries, best viewed after midnight. September 7th brings a full moon and a total lunar eclipse, a showstopper. The moon will pass through Earth's shadow, turning a deep red, visible across Asia, Australia, and parts of the Pacific. The eclipse begins around 18:30 UTC. Set your alarms and grab your cameras. On September 8th, the moon closely approaches Saturn and Neptune, forming a stunning trio in the night sky. Saturn will be bright and golden, Neptune faint and bluish. Look southeast after sunset, binoculars enhance the view. The Perseid meteor shower peaks, offering swift meteors from the constellation Perseus. On September 10th, the moon reaches perigee, its closest point to Earth. It'll appear slightly larger and brighter, especially striking just after moonrise. A great night for lunar photography. September 13th is a double feature. The moon brushes past the Pleiades star cluster, creating a sparkling scene in Taurus, best viewed with binoculars. Meanwhile, Mercury reaches superior conjunction, hidden behind the sun and not visible. The last quarter moon rises on September 14th. On September 16th, the moon and Jupiter meet in the sky. Jupiter shines brilliantly in Pisces, and the moon adds a soft glow. Look southeast after 10 p.m., no telescope needed. September 19th brings a Moon-Venus conjunction, followed by a lunar occultation of Venus, where the moon briefly hides the planet, visible from South America and parts of Africa. It's a rare and beautiful sight. Saturn reaches opposition on September 21st, its closest and brightest point this year. Rings are tilted perfectly for viewing. Grab a telescope and look southeast after sunset. You won't regret it. The September equinox marks the start of autumn in the northern hemisphere. A partial solar eclipse occurs, visible from parts of South America and Antarctica. And it's also a new moon, making skies extra dark for stargazing. Neptune reaches opposition on September 23rd. Though faint, it's best seen with a telescope in Pisces. Look for a tiny blue disk, your gateway to the outer solar system. On September 24th, the moon and Mars share the sky in Gemini. Also, the galaxy NGC 55 is well placed for southern observers, ideal for deep sky imaging. September 26th, the moon reaches apogee, its farthest point from Earth. It'll appear slightly smaller, especially compared to earlier this month. September 27th is packed. The daytime sextanted meteor shower peaks, though hard to see due to sunlight. More exciting, the moon occults Antares, a fiery red star in Scorpius, plus 47 Tucanae, a stunning globular cluster, is perfectly placed for southern skies. Wrapping up the month, the first quarter moon rises on September 30th. A great phase for observing lunar craters and shadows, ideal for beginners. September 2025 is truly a celestial celebration. Which event are you most excited for? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a moment under the stars. Clear skies and cosmic vibes.